Okay, e-commerce website. In case input is, you can take string. After that, output is 173. Why it is 173 means the ASCII codes of each and every character. You can find the least ASCII code and highest ASCII code. In EAKLIB, in least ASCII code is capital A, 65. Highest ASCII code is 108 for L. Okay, that is the requirement. Okay, to write program using Python as equals to input of. After that, I want to find simple in Python. If you want to find the ASCII code, ORD, max of ORD and min of ORD. That's it. Print ORD of max of S plus ORD of min of S. That's it. Okay, 100% expect. Simply you can find the maximum character and minimum character using max min functions. Then ask code.